This is a robotic vision assembly system used to bring multiple filter components together to manufacture oil filters. This system operates at 120 filters per minute. In a subsequent operation, the filter outer shell, spring, and cartridge are inserted into the puck to form a filter sub-assembly. The grommet check valves are fed from bulk and distributed onto the pick conveyor, where they are vision selected and tracked for robotic picking. Two vision-guided Delta Spider robots are used to pick grommet check valves from the pick conveyor and place them on the cued pucked filter subassemblies. Grommets are tamped in place and the grommet height within the subassembly is measured to assure assembly dimensional compliance. Nut plates are cued in a long conveyor magazine and placed on the passing filter subassembly using a screwed thread drop mechanism. Final assembly height is measured to assure the accuracy before being sent to have the nut plate seamed to the metal can. Let us build one for you.